How to delete custom emojis created with Genmoji on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete custom emojis created with Genmoji on iPhone. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your messages app, or you can use any app like WhatsApp, Instagram, or any app that you can just open keyboard on, and then you have to click this message section, and then you have to click this emoji icon on the bottom left corner. Once you click this option, you have to slide this side to the right side, and it's going to bring up all the emojis that you created with Genmoji on iPhone. And now to simply delete these custom emojis, you simply have to select these. Just click it, long press on it, and then leave. And then it's going to pop up with this option. You simply have to click delete over here. For example, let's delete this wave over here. Just hold and press and then leave, and then it's going to pop up with these options, and you have to click delete. And here you go, it has deleted the custom emoji that I created with Genmoji on iPhone. And that's how you can delete custom emojis created with Genmoji on iPhone.